Do you have an issue with a loose door handle, or maybe one that came off altogether? We're going to show you in this video how to fix this very cheap, very easy, and you maybe don't even have to buy anything. Let's check it out. All you need to fix this is a set screw, which goes up underneath here. It's about that big. Now you can find these on Amazon. You can get a pack of 50 or 60 of them for probably about $5. If you don't have the time to wait for that, you can look for an inconspicuous door inside the house, inside a closet, something like that, where you can borrow one of these until you can order one. And an Allen wrench to take it out. Now, they are different sizes. This one in particular is a 2.5 metric Allen wrench for this set screw. You may have a different size. Just get your Allen wrenches out and test to see what size fits. You can always find these on the inside of closets, like linen closets, pantries, different things like that. In this case, I'm going to take one from the linen closet. You just take your Allen wrench and you find the hole on the bottom where the set screw is, and you're going to just take that out. There's the hole. You can see the set screw up in there. We're going to use the long end of the Allen wrench, and we're just going to loosen that out so we can borrow that for the handle that we're going to fix. But all you do is you put that set screw in the bottom there. It's easier to actually put your Allen wrench the long way. And you screw that up into the hole there. Now you do want to make sure that it goes in at the right angle. Otherwise, you'll be using too much force and stripping that set screw out. So right now I'm kind of trying to find the sweet spot here. It's going in at a little bit of an angle. I don't know if you can see that. If it goes at a little bit of an angle, it's not going to go in. You're going to start feeling that resistance. So you can even take the handle off and get it started with it off. That way you can tell that it is going on straight. You simply just run it up into the threaded hole at the bottom there. Until it's good and tight. Now, it's not going anywhere. Simple and easy fix. We ran that all the way up in here, good and tight, so you can see there's no play at all on this. So if it's just loose, you can tighten that. If it comes off altogether, just get you another set screw, put it up in there. No need to replace a whole knob or anything, a handle. You just need that set screw. So I hope this was helpful to you. A nice, easy, and cheap fix to fix that door handle. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.